The next song is called Chikende, and in this song I talk about how things were in the past, and in Zimbabwe as a whole, and how things were in my village. Now, a lot of things have come into interfere with, all the traditions. But the hope is young people are now fighting to go back to all the traditions. That's the good thing about the whole thing. That's the hope we have. And there came a time of rock, and people abandoned the lira and started playing, Jimi Hendrix stuff. And including myself, I played the Jimi Hendrix stuff on the guitar. Well, if you played the guitar and you didn't play Jimi Hendrix, Hey Joe, then you did not play the guitar. But as time went on, we realized how much value there is in our own instrument. And so the young people today are all coming back to the lira, to the drum. They are going back to the village to learn more about the old stuff.